Update single bar in Matplotlib. I am plotting a bar graph using Matplotlib, and according to a condition in my code I need to change the color of one of the bar. Is it possible to change the color of a single bar in the plot without plotting a new bar graph, because that would increase the complexity? Related, how to change the color of a single bar if condition is true. Matplotlib.
Matplotlib.pyplot.bar returns a matplotlib.container.bar container, in which the individual bars are stored as matplotlib.patches.rectangle objects. Given that, the container can be treated as a tuple of the patches themselves. Additionally, you can access these and further parameters by the attributes. You can extract the patch for the specific bar or bars you want and change its color. An example.
I